Hey, to take 50 megapixel photos on your Samsung Galaxy M15 5G, all you have to do is just open the photo mode and then click on the 12 right here in the right upper corner. Now it will actually switch to the 50 megapixel mode, and I'm going to show you actually the details, how many details we can actually get thanks to this 50 megapixel mode. And for example, let's focus just right here. Now hold your phone steady and take the photo. Then let's find out. Okay, so as you can see, we can actually find a lot of details. Everything looks fine and sharp. Now we can try to zoom in. And now we can actually find a little bit worse quality when you zoom in, but it looks pretty good. So thanks to this 50 megapixel mode, we can actually find a lot of details while taking this kind of the photos. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe.